Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see chapter 8 of class 9 Ganita Manjari book, and the chapter name over here is predicting what comes next, exploring sequence and progression. So here we are majorly concentrate what is sequence and about arithmetic and geometric progression we are going to see. Let's see the first exercise. Find the first five terms of the sequence in which nth term is given by. So here there are three questions. So in each question the nth term is given and we are going to find the first five terms. So we'll start with the first problem. So the first problem is Tn, that means the nth term is 3n minus 4. So Tn equal to 3n minus 4. So we need to find first five terms, right? So what is the first term, which is T1? So n is replaced by 1. So 3 into 1 minus 4. So which is 3 minus 4, minus 1 is the answer. And we need to find T2 till T5 we have to find, because in the question they have asked 5 terms, right? So that's the reason. And here the n is replaced by 2. 3 into 2 minus 4. So 6 minus 4, it is 2. And then T3 equal to 3 into, now the n value is 3 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And T4 equal to 3 into 4 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. And T5 equal to 3 into 5 minus 4. 15 minus 4, which is 11. So now we found first five terms. Can we write that in a series? So minus 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 8 comma 11. So these are the first five terms of this sequence. Now we'll move for the second question. So the nth term is given as Tn equal to 2 minus 5n. So here also we are going to find the first five terms. So find what is T1, which is 2 minus 5 into 1, which is minus 3. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. And T2, 2 minus 5 into 2. So 2 minus 10, which is minus 8. T3, 2 minus 5 into 3. 2 minus 15. So if you take from 15 2, you will be getting minus 13. And the next one is T4. 2 minus 5 into 4. So 2 minus 20, which is minus 18. And T5, the last term, 2 minus 5 into 5. 2 minus 25, so the answer is minus 23. So for the second question, what are the first five terms in the sequence? Minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18, and minus 23. We'll see the third one now. And the third Tn value is given as Tn equal to n square minus 2n plus 3 for n is greater than or equal to 1. Yeah. So now T1 equal to, so in the place of n we are going to replace with the 1 value. So 1 square 2 into 1 plus 3. Okay, so what you will be getting, 1 minus 2 plus 3, which is 4 minus 2, the answer is 2. And T2 equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 3. So we will be getting 2 square 4, and this is minus 4 plus 3. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. We'll get answer as 3. T3 equal to 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus 3. 9 minus 6 plus 3. So first we will add these two positives. 12. 12 minus 6 is going to be 6. And then T4 equal to 4 square minus 2 into 4 plus 3. It is 16 minus 8 plus 3. So 16 plus 3 is going to be 19. In 19, 8 goes, you will be getting 11. And T5 equal to 5 square minus 2 into 5 plus 3, which is equal to 25 minus 10 plus 3. So what will be the answer over here? It's nothing but 18, right? 28, if 10 goes, it is going to be 18. So here for the third question, the first five terms of the sequence are 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 11 comma 18. Let's see the second question. Find the 10th term and 15th term of the sequence. Tn value is given and they are asking you to find T10 and T15. That means 10th and 15th term. Can we find that? T10 equal to 5 into 10 minus 3. And we need to check this condition also. N should be greater than or equal to 1. So over here it is 50 minus 3. So T10 is equal to 47. This is the answer for the 10th term. So now can we find T15 term? T15 equal to 5 into 15 minus 3. So 5 into 15 you will be getting 75. 75 minus 3. So T15th term is 72. So this is the answer for this problem. We'll see the next question. Determine whether 97 and 172 are terms of the sequence this. Okay, so they gave something a value, right? 97. This 97 can belongs to this sequence and 172 can belong to this sequence. So what we have to do, first we will take the first value as Tn, which is 97, and replace the Tn value by 97 and find the value of n. Maybe if you got the value of n as a whole number, yes, this 97 can come under the given sequence, we can confirm. So can we do that? So 5n will keep this side only. This minus 3 will move to the other side. So it will become plus 3. So it is 100. So n equal to 100 by 5. So we'll be getting answer as 20. So we are getting the n value as a whole number. Yes, then 97 can belong to the sequence Tn equal to 5n minus 3. Now can we check whether this 172 can belong to this given sequence? So we'll take Tn equal to 5n minus 3. Now this Tn need to be replaced by 172. So 5n equal to 172. So I'm moving this 3 to the other side. So it will become plus 3, which is 175. So n equal to 175 by 5. So it's going to be 3 times and 5 times. So here also we are getting the whole number, n equal to 35. So in this sequence, the 20th term is 97 and the 35th term is 172. So both are there in this sequence. We'll see the next question. Which term of the sequence Tn equal to 5n minus 3 for n is greater than or equal to is 607? What they are asking, so the 607 can belong to which term of the given sequence? It may be T10 or it may be T20, like that we have to find. It means we are going to find the value of n, that's it. So first we'll write the sequence Tn equal to 5n minus 3. Over here, what the value has given? 607. So I have written that. And we'll check whether we are getting the n value to be a whole number. If yes, then yeah, and we can find that particular sequence also. 607 and minus 3 come this side, it is going to be plus 3. So 5n equal to 607 plus 3 is going to be 610. So n equal to 610 by 5. So we will be getting 5 ones are, and then again 5 twos are, and one more one will be coming. So it is going to be one more 2. So 122. So n equal to 122. So what we are concluding, the T 112th term, 122nd term, not 12, the term which is 122 is going to be equal to 607 of the given sequence. This is how we are concluding, right? We'll see the next question. A sequence is given by the recursive rule. So what is the meaning of recursive rule? We are going to write the formula with respect to the previous term. That is what recursive rule. So over here T1 value is given and Tn plus 1 equal to. So what the recursive rule it given over here? T1 equal to minus 5 and again Tn plus 1 equal to Tn plus 3 for n greater than or equal to 1, right? So this is the condition they gave. The first term is okay, this one. What about the second term? That and all we need to find. So we'll see the question next. Find the first 5 terms they are asking. Okay, so first term is already there. We need to find still 4 more terms. And also, is 52 a term of the sequence? If so, which term is it? Okay, so first we'll find the first 5 terms. So already here T1 is given, so we'll find T2. When I'm finding T2 using this recursive rule, what is the value of n? I can make my value of n as 1. Then only 1 plus 1 you will get 2 over here. And over here it is T1 plus 3, right? So what is T1 plus 3? T1 value is minus 5 plus 3 you will be getting minus 2. And again T3. T3 equal to T2 plus 3. What is the T2 value over here? Minus 2 plus 3 equal to plus 1, and T4 value equal to T3 plus 3. T3 value is 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and T5 value is T4 plus 3. T4 value is 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. So now we found the first 5 terms in the sequence. So what are they? The one is given in the question itself, minus 5, and then minus 2, 1, 4, 7. So this is the sequence which is having the first 5 terms. Now in the same question we have the second division. Is 52 a term of the sequence or not? So what you will be doing? So in the place of Tn plus 1 we will be substituting 52 and we'll check the value of n. So for finding 52 a term of the particular sequence, actually in AP we have a formula for it, but in this exercise the AP was not introduced. We need to use this given rule in order to find it. So we have already found actually till T5, right? So after T5 we can proceed for the next terms also, so that we can identify whether 52 is coming or not. So each term, actually what is actually happening before to the previous term, plus 3 need to be added. This is what, right? So T5 equal to T5 plus 3, T6 equal to T5 plus 3, which is 10, right? And what about T7 plus 3? So it's going to be 13. And what about T8? It is 16. T9 it's going to be 19. And T10 is going to be 22. T11 is 25. And T12 28. And then T13 will be getting as 31. T14 is going to be 30, so plus 3, right? 4, 34. And T15 equal to 37. T16 equal to 40. T17 equal to 43. T18 equal to 46. T19 equal to 49. And we are getting T20 as 52. Yeah. So 52 is a particular term. It is a term in the given sequence. And if so, if it is a term, which term is it? They are asking. So which term is this? The 20th term, T20, right, which is 52. The 20th term of the given sequence is 52. This is how we can conclude. But the same question is asked over here in AP. We have a different formula that we will see in our second exercise. Let's move on to the last problem of this exercise. Let T1 equal to 1, T2 equal to 2, T3 equal to 4, and Tn equal to Tn minus 1, n minus 2 plus n minus 3 for n is greater than or equal to 4. Then find the value of from T4 to T8 we need to find. So what is given actually for us? T1 value is given as 1, T2 value is given as 2, T3 value is given as 4. Now in order to find T4, we are going to use this formula. So what is this? Tn equal to Tn minus 1. Then what is Tn minus 1, which is T3, plus Tn minus 2, which is T2. 4 minus 2 is 2, right? And Tn minus 3, which is 4 minus 3, T1. So in order to find the T4, I need to add the previous 3 terms, right? So now we can add it, 4 plus 2 plus 1. So T4 equal to 7 we are getting. So if I want to find T5, then I have to add the previous 3 terms, right? So if I want to find T5, we need to add T4 plus T3 plus T2. What is T4? It is 7. T3 is 4 plus T2 is 2. So how much you will be getting? 13. And the next one is we need to find T6. Again, the previous 3 terms we need to add. T4 plus T3. So what is T5? Which is 13 plus T4, 7 plus T3 is 4. So it's going to be 24. And we'll find still 2 more we need to find. T7. Again 3 terms, previous 3 terms. So T6 is 24 and T5 is 13 plus T4 is 7. So over here 20 and 20 plus 24 is going to be 44. And then T8, which is equal to T7 plus T6 plus T5. So T7 value is 44, T6 value is 24, and over here it is 13. So it is 68, 71 and 81 is the answer. So these are the answer for all these things. So we found the value of T4 as 7, T5 as 13, T6 as 24, T7 as 44, and T8 as 81. Here comes the end of the first exercise 8.1. In the next video, we'll see the second exercise. Hope you understood. Thank you.